Hey everyone, this is Tony Teaches Tech. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to host a 100% completely free website with Wix. You also get a free subdomain name. Now there are some limitations which we'll get into right here, right off the bat. This is the official Wix website support page for free versus paid. As you can see here, this is what you get with premium. This is what you get with free. So with the free version, like I said, you get the free subdomain name. You will have ads on your page. Okay, we'll see what that looks like in a little bit. But you are limited to 500 megabytes of storage space and 500 megabytes of bandwidth per month, and you cannot accept online payments. So if you're just trying to get started with Wix, or if you want a basic website which is not going to have a lot of traffic, then this is a perfect option for you. So let's go ahead and go through this process. That's what we're going to do in this video. I'm going to show you how to do the design and layout of your website, go through the process from account creation all the way to publishing your website. So what I'm going to do is click on free hosting here and get started. And I'll have a link down for you in the description if you want to just jump right to this page. What I'm going to do next is create my account. And once you have your account created, then we can go through the setup wizard, which is just going to kind of gauge your interest as far as what kind of website that you want to make. So it says enter your business or website type. I'll say like technology YouTube personality. Hit next, and then have you created websites before? For me personally, I've created many, and I think this is pretty much just a survey. It's not going to really affect what you see going forward. And now at this point, you have two different options. You can use a template to start your website, or you can, it says get a website designed for you in just minutes. We're going to go ahead and browse the templates with the drag and drop layout editor and all that stuff. So click on Start Now, and these are the templates that they have available for us to look through. So a wide variety, depending on what kind of website you're building. I feel like they have something for everybody. So what do they have? 3, 6, 9, 12 different templates on this one page, and there's 82 pages. So there's a lot to choose from here. Let's just preview one. This one right here, and you can go through a full demo. So I open this up, and you can see what this looks like in real time and interact with it. So it's cool. It's got that parallax effect, some count up numbers here, lots of images, and yeah, I like this one. But let's see what else they have. I actually have one in mind that I've used in the past. So it's called Researcher. So I'll just look through all the templates for the Researcher template, and it's this one right here. So the reason I like this, and we'll go ahead and view that. The reason I like this is because it's for my personal website that I'm going to make, which is, again, just a demonstration. I want it's going to be for me, a YouTube personality. It's going to be showing a picture of me, my name, a little bit of a bio, some links to my social media, and then, some links up here in the menu bar. So let's go ahead and customize this to be for me, right? This is going to be my website. And again, this is just a demonstration. So let's change this image right off the bat. That's not me. So let's change this image to upload a picture of myself. And again, the reason we're doing this is to show you how to work with the Wix editor, how easy it is to work with the Wix editor. So I'm going to drag a picture of me into here, and that's going to upload to the Wix servers, and then we can modify it as necessary. So if let's just pick this image right off the bat, it'll replace him with me. I don't want myself to look to the left. I want to look to the right. So we'll go ahead and edit this image, and we can adjust it, I believe, in here, and just flip it so I'm looking instead of to the left, from the left to the right, from the left, if that makes sense. I don't think that makes sense. Anyway, let's go ahead and click on flip horizontally. There we go. And if you wanted to, you could crop this as well. Let's see what the options are. We can bring that in, make it wider, make it taller. I'll do a free crop, which allows me to pick the exact size that I want this to be. And then, yeah, I like that. So let's save that. That'll replace the image on the website. And so I'm looking to the right. Okay, cool. Let's change this background up here at the top to be more techy. So you'll see that as I'm moving my mouse around, it's highlighting different elements on the page. So this is the menu bar. This is the whole strip across the top. This is the picture that we just edited. You got your columns, your left column and your right column. But what we want is the entire background here. And so you can see that now that we have this blue line around the entire background, that's what we're working with. So if we want to edit that picture, we can if we want to select that again and edit that picture for the strip, click on strip, change strip background. And I want something more like technical. I want it to be an image. So let's go look through all of their images. I'm just going to say like a digital, something techy, digitally. See if something jumps out. Yeah, let's go with the circuit board here. So we'll change that to be a circuit board instead of those bubbles. So that looks good to me. Let's put my name in here as the title. So I'll say Tony Teaches Tech. And we'll say tech YouTuber. I'll change this. I have a little snippet over here. And again, this should give you an idea about how easy it is to edit the actual content. So you could just click on something, highlight it, backspace, put in your new text. And if you don't like the font or the size, you can change the size to be bigger, just like that. Let's change the font to be paragraph 1. The font itself, let's make it something different, Luo Clean. Yeah, we'll go with that just for demonstration purposes again. So yeah, Tony Teaches Tech, tech YouTuber. Let's change some of our social links. So we'll set our social links. I will replace the LinkedIn one with one for YouTube. So we'll pick the YouTube link and we'll say youtube.com/Tony Teaches Tech. And that'll open in a new window. I don't really have too many more social sites other than YouTube. I guess I can add one for my actual website. Let's see if they have a website icon here. Website. No websites. Let's pretend that I have a Twitter. I don't know. Do you think I should get a Twitter? We'll add that and put that to be number 2. Add a link. We'll just go to twitter.com. Okay. Done. So now we have our social links right there. I think that's good for the homepage. I could, change this as we did before. Write the content about me, research interest. Maybe I can change this like technology, TECHNOL, technology interests, something like that. But you get the idea. It's pretty much click and edit, drag and drop too. Like if I wanted this to be in the center, I could do that. Stretch it out wider if you need to fit more text. That's the one thing that I really like about the Wix editor is it's very intuitive to use. Maybe a little bit overwhelming at first because of all these lines and columns and everything. But for the most part, I think it's pretty easy. So let's see what some of these options are over here. So we have our menus and pages. Okay, so we have the home page, about page, publications, research, blog, and contact. You can see that these correspond up here in the menu bar. So let's say we're just trying to simplify this website. I don't have any publications, so we can delete that. I don't have, I don't want a contact page, so I can delete that. And instead of a research blog, let's change that to just blog, just a generic blog. And that's updating up here accordingly. You can edit the menu directly, so click on Manage Menu, and you'll see that these are the icons that are up there. And if you think that's too big, again, drag this to be all the way to the right, so you just have your About page and your blog page over there. Okay, so this is the research blog page, but let's go ahead and continue down through this. So we have our menus and pages. We have our background. You can set a background instead of just a solid white color. You can change the background to be a picture or a different color. We won't do that. I think I like the actual background here. Going through here, you have different types of strips that you can add. That's the terminology that they call it. So this is like a side-to-side full page width pre-designed template for you. So this looks like a social media, a way to get in touch strip, contact us strip. These are all contacts, welcome strips, services. So different, meet the team. Yeah, so you could see this could take a while for us to go through here, but just to give you a quick preview, some text, images, different types of buttons, lots and lots of buttons, galleries for pictures, decorative elements, all that stuff. So, and more social icons, which is really good to promote your socials. So, yeah, just again, letting you know that this stuff exists. We're not going to do anything specifically with it. The theme itself. Okay, so right now, let's go back to our homepage, and the theme before was like this brownish, not my favorite colors. I want to change the theme, so let's change the theme colors, and they have these templates, I should say palettes of colors here. I think I want to do something like bluish and orange, kind of to resonate with technical colors, because you got the circuit board green, the blue and the orange and the yellow. So that looks good to me. So, and it's that quick. So once we click on that, it automatically updates the menu bar here, some of the backgrounds here, and the footer at the bottom as well. So that looks good. Moving right along, there's this section down here called the Wix app market. And if you are familiar with WordPress, this is the closest thing to like a WordPress plugin that you're going to get. So these add additional functionalities to your website. So you can add comments, different pricing plans, the ability to search your site. So like I said, different functionality adding to your website with these apps from the Wix app market. Okay, and then down here, last but not least, the media gallery. So you'll see that we uploaded our image file from earlier, and that's in our media gallery. You can also do videos, get your free images from Wix, the stock photos and all that stuff. Same thing for the videos as well. Okay, so that's a basic overview of how to edit a Wix website. Let's go ahead and save this. And this is the URL that it's giving us, the free URL. And that looks good to me. So let's go ahead and hit done, and let's publish it. So we can click on the publish button. Congratulations, your site is published and live online at this URL. So let's go ahead and view that. And like I said, our free domain name /my site. And here's our edits. So we have our menu bar, Tony Teaches Tech YouTuber, a little bit of a blog, or a little bit of a blurb about me, and my picture. And then everything else was just the default template here. Like I said, you will, with the free version of Wix, you will have an ad at the top. So it says the site was designed with the Wix.com website builder. Create your website today. The only way to get rid of that is if you do upgrade to the premium version. So yeah, I think that's what we're finished today. If you want to learn more about Wix, especially how it compares to Weebly and Squarespace, if you're familiar with those two, I have a video about that, which I recommend that you should check out. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this from me in the future. And if you do, I'll see you in the next one.